guys, ayan yung overlooking the lake. Turn around tayo kanina dyan sa ano. Let's go for a walk, guys. Here, sir.
Which way?
Here, we go
That
this
way?
way. Then we go around.
Okay, let's go.
Are you okay? So, ayan yung Quarry Lake. Na cute na lake. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mountain. Yung alin? Phone? Wala namang natin. Ah, andyan. Nakita ko. Nakita ko last time. Ayan si Mr. Orange Boy. Ellie, sir. Antayin mo kami. Ay, bebe. So, ayan. Mag-walking around kami dahil ang ganda ng ano. Ng trail. Ganda ng mountain. Kasang lamig ng tubig. Yan. Ganda ng mountain. Oh. Look at that. Grabe, ang ganda dito, oh. Ganda, oh. Overlooking dito. Lake. Guys, super masarap maglakad dahil ano, malamig, mahangin nga lang. Yan, it's gorgeous here. The sun is up now. Ellie, sir, where are you going? Let's go to the trail and walk around. No, there's lots of trail here. Yeah, sure. We'll wait the sun though, and then you can swim before we go home, eh? There. Yan po ang ating lake dito sa Canmore. Okay, let's go for a walk. Sa amin walang bundok. Dito maraming bundok. Sa southern, maraming ano lang, plain doon. Ayan, maglakad tayo kung saan yung trail. Ayan, puro basura man dyan. Coast Lake, of course. And mountains. Mountains of Alberta. Mukhang maraming ano doon. Bugs. Yan, so ayan. Marami nga lang bear dito. Pag nagkataon. Yan. Anong meron dyan? Ang alin? Ay, yung trail? Yan yung map. Asan yung isang ano? May malapit ba na ano dito? Papunta. Yung lake? Wala na? You are here na anak. Walang malapit na lake dyan? Wala, puro trail pala na ano. Baka ibang ano yung iba. Ibang way naman. Maluwang ano oh.
Can we go now?
Of course, pag may emergency, you need to call 911. Yan ang sabi dyan sa ano, mapa. Dito yata, dito anak, dito. Yan.
Fishy.
Dogs are not permitted in the vicinity. Wow, they're strict with dogs, eh?
Why?
Because it's not permitted.
Oh, yep, they always poop and then they poop, they pee, and they sniff. Yung lake overlooking. O tingnan mo, oh, may mga mag-swimming na. Hindi sir. Ba't saan yung dinaanan yung matanda kanina? Sige, maligo na si Elisa. Hi bebe. Ayan, overlooking the lake. Mag-ano, turn around tayo kanina dyan sa ano. Yung lake.